I think it's very important. I really need to compliment Dr. Shiv Kumar, the president of Cardiology Society of India, Hyderabad chapter, and Telangana state. He did a wonderful job, and I'm very happy that the mission and the main objective of this meeting, under the leadership of Shiv Kumar, is how to attack heart attack. It's very important because a heart attack is getting dominant in India. All young individuals in the age of 30s, 40s are becoming a victim of a heart attack. And the main thrust area of Shiv Kumar was we should understand the strategy, what methods we should adopt so that the younger individuals, males or females in India, should not die in the prime of their lives. The menace of heart attack is rising very steeply in India. There is a huge burden. Almost 66% of the burden of heart attack is borne by Indians in the world. And I am very happy that Dr. Shiv Kumar has focused on this issue. And he said that heart attack is happening in Indians because Indians have a very poor lifestyle. They are obese, they smoke, they don't exercise, they eat the wrong food at the wrong time, in a wrong place, in a wrong manner, in a wrong dose, in a wrong environment. And he also said that it is the stress, a competitiveness, negative competition, jealousy, hatredness, vengeance, vindictiveness, and what we call a hostility or cynical behavior are very, very important cause of a premature heart attacks. So a lifestyle optimization is the need of the hour, which was mentioned very categorically by Dr. Shiv Kumar. And I was very impressed as a chairman of the National CSI Affairs. And I think there is a huge need of public education. He mentioned that public education should start right from the schools. Healthy Heart Initiative should start right from the schools, adolescent, and it should go to everyone, all the members of the public. Heart attack cannot be attacked only by the doctors. He said the heart attack can be attacked by the public at large. Everybody has to know when they have a heart attack what are the symptoms, whom to report. They should not ring up a chemist shop and they should not go to a general practitioner. They should not deny or they should not pray to God. They should immediately call for ambulance and go for a clot buster treatment. When you get a clot buster treatment, straight away go to the hospital and get a PCI. Aim is know the coronary anatomy and salvage the jeopardized myocardium. The myocardium or the heart muscle visit at risk should be handled very carefully, very gently and timely. It is the time which is very important. And I think the message of this conference is huge. The challenge is huge. And through this conference, the media should be motivated to educate the public masses that heart attack is the problem of everyone. It's not only for doctors. It is of everyone, and we all should get together, whether it is the medical forum or the non-medical forum, even the corporate world like ASSOCHAM or CII or FICCI or public health departments, Ministry of Health, Government of India and the industry. Everybody should be involved to tackle this menace. I must congratulate again Dr. Shiv Kumar for the beautiful conference which he has organized. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity.